Hello, what is your name?
My name is Princess Dayan Montero.
How old are you?
I'm 24 years old.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
Are you married?
No, but I'm a single mother.
Okay, so do you have kids?
Yeah,
How many kids?
one only.
How old?
4 years old, and she is a girl.
Okay, so how long you been working in Hong Kong?
1 year and 5 months.
Do you have any work experience in other countries?
Yes, in the Philippines for 2 years.
Okay, so how long you been working with your previous employer?
1 year and 5 months.
Where's your employer living in?
Junmun,
How many square feet of your employer's house?
550.
How many family member there?
5,
How many children?
2,
How old are they?
6 months and 10 years old.
Okay, so would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
7 a.m. Then I'm preparing for the uniform for my elder brother. Then prepare breakfast, and then after that I will go with him in the school. Then after that I'm starting to laundry clothes. Then taking care of the 6 months old. Then keep playing until he sleep, and then
Okay.
I will clean the house, and then after that cooking for lunch, and then going to the market to buy for our dinner. And then after cooking dinner, I will clean up all the the
The house.
the house, and then after
Okay, so do you go market?
yes,
Okay, after market, what time you prepare for the dinner?
6 a.m.
Okay,
and
so-
6 p.m.
Okay, so what time you cook?
6:30.
6:30.
Yes.
So after finish everything, what time what time they eat?
We will eat together by 8 p.m.
8 p.m. Okay, so what time you go to bed?
10:30.
Okay, thank you so much.